when your throat decides to glitch during the final exam. I tried to hold the cough in, but my throat was like, nope. And then, my throat went full World War cough. Did he just launch a missile? I turned red, like tomato ketchup red. Do you need water? Or should I call the principal? I shook my head, but the cough said, nope. I'm moving seats. I'm not going down like this. I swear I was healthy. It was just one tickle. Even the janitor walked by with a mask and Lysol spray. Yo! Someone check his download speed. He's buffering hard. One cough, and now I sit alone at lunch. Forever. Like, share and subscribe before my cough spreads digitally.